Hey, I'm Jane from Buckeye Library, and today I'm going to show you how to make a ribbon bookmark. So you can see on my table here that I have all the supplies you're going to need. It's super simple to make. You're just going to need a piece of ribbon about 18 to 20 inches long, a hair tie, a button or two, and needle and thread, and of course scissors. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to thread your needle, and once you do, you're going to want to make a knot at the end of your needle. If you've not sewn before, the easy way to do it is just to wrap it around your finger, roll it a bit, and pull it, and you'll have a nice little knot at the end of your thread. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to pick up your hair tie and simply just wrap this ribbon right around it. You're going to want to go from the back side so the knot does not show, and then you're just going to make some even stitches all the way across. Of course, you want to close off each side so there's no gaps, and you're just going to, like I said, make little simple stitches all the way across so that the hair tie stays intact. Again, real simple, and then at the very end you're just going to do the very same thing, and to get the knot on the side so it does not unravel, you'll just do a stitch, put your needle through, and you've got it tied off. It's that simple. So after you've cut this thread, and you're going to make sure that you go on the same side because you want this finished end on the other side. And again, you're just going to fold it over. You can fold it over a couple times if you want to make sure that it doesn't unravel, or if you have a very clean cut and a ribbon that's not going to unravel, then you can just turn it over. And again, you make sure that you have it turned over on the same side so the same edges, the unfinished edges, are on the same side of the ribbon. Again, you'll go from the back side and then just make your even stitches all the way across. Again, super simple. It makes a great gift. And then I will show you what it looks like at the end and how it's actually going to work. So you've finished it off again with doing a stitch, putting your needle through. Do that twice, and you will have a knot so it won't unravel. You can cut the thread, and then you're going to attach the buttons. You don't have to always have two buttons. If you have a larger book, maybe you just need one button, but if you want a multiple size for your book, you're going to put one button on at least. And again, you've knotted your thread. You go up from the back side, and you are going to just stitch this. Make sure the button stays on. You're going to want to do multiple stitches. Or you can double your thread, which makes it even stronger. And you put in several stitches, and at the very end, again, you're going to knot it as you did on before, just putting your needle through. Nice knot. And again, you can add another button if you want. You can do it longer if you want. Make the ribbon longer. If you have a large book, you can make it shorter. Again, if you put another button on, you would put it up a little higher and sew it on. And that is that simple. And what you end up with is a bookmark that looks like this. Again, super simple. It just unravels, and you can mark your book, mark your place in your book, and that's it. So I hope you will try this. We did have kits in the library at different locations within all of our branches. Hopefully there are some kits left if you're watching this video after the 1st of January. Feel free to try to make it on your own. I think you'll like it. Have a Happy New Year.